Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Samsung Soundbar S60D. This soundbar will help you to enjoy great sound, room-filling bars. S60D is new and uses AI optimized adaptive sound. 7 speakers including a center speaker with active voice amplifier for crystal clear dialogue and built-in woofer for precise bass. The simple to use wall mount kit included. Connection: you can connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi network or AirPlay and take control using simple one remote control or with Alexa built-in. Alexa requires the free SmartThings, music mode and wireless Dolby Atmos too, making it true versatile soundbar. Plus Samsung Q Symphony work with compatible Samsung TV, allow the TV and soundbar to work in harmony for true immersive experience. This soundbar is 200 watts, 3D sound technology, project sound over and around you, making for an immersive experience. Dolby sound technology, DTS technology, 5-channel within the system, built-in active amplifier. Connectivity: you have option for optical audio port, 1 HDMI port, not 3.5 line-in compatible, Bluetooth enable and Wi-Fi compatibility. Smart features: wireless stream music, voice control, power consumption 31 watts, auto power off, sleek black finish, elegant black design, seamlessly blend with your home entertainment setup and enhance any of the room. Voice control with Alexa. Integrated Amazon Alexa allow you to control the soundbar and stream music, adjust setting and more using simple voice command. Compact all-in-one design. Combine multiple speakers in a single sleek unit, reducing cluster and delivering robust audio performance. This soundbar, we're going to check it out, see what is inside. This is the information pack, power cable, 3-pin power cable, remote control. This is part of the power cable as well. AAA battery and wall mount included, an information pack. This is heavy. There we go. See what it looks like. It's plastic. It's written Samsung on top of it. This button is multi-function button. This button is for you to decrease the volume. This button, the plus, is for you to increase the volume. This button is mic on and off button. So if you press this button in a standby mode, press the multi button to turn the soundbar on. Press the multi button to change the mode. And the ports are DC 19 volt. The power cable goes here, and USB. This is service. Optical and HDMI ports are on this end. Now to set this up, you take the power cable, connect it to this end, push it in to this adapter, push it inside, then take this end of the cable, go to the back of this soundbar and connect it to DC in and this in. Then connect the cable to the socket, take the remote control, so this is the remote control. Push it down, the cover. The batteries, negative goes on the top. On the right side, the negative goes to the top and the positive on the bottom one. Then on the left side, positive on the top and negative on the bottom. Then you close it, slide the cover back up. To measure this soundbar from this end to this end, 670 millimeter width. Diameter is 105 millimeter. And height is 62 millimeter. Switch the soundbar on. Light is highlighting here. You can see the blue color. Now select Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth. Now I want to connect it using the mobile phone. So if you go to your phone setting, go to the connections, switch Bluetooth on, then you search for available Bluetooth device, X series, Samsung S series, select on it. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's connected. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. This is the audio. This is the remote control here. From this remote control, this button is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This button is input. Press to select the source connected to the soundbar, so you can use this to select optical or HDMI. And this button is Bluetooth pair. Then the center one is pause and play. So if you want to pause the music, then you select pause, the music is paused. If you want to start it again, then you press it again and it will start to play. So the center one is pause and play. And also you have up and down, and also sideways. Directional button is up and down and sideways. You also have mute the sound. This is mute. It's blinking X repeatedly. So you press the mute again and the audio will start. Then sound mode. If you select sound mode, press the button, you can select desired audio. So you can select white, blink X, adaptive sound, DTS visual X, music, game, and standard. So you select the sound mode. So this is sound mode. Then if you push the plus up volume button, if you push it up, increase the volume, push it down, then you decrease the volume. And this is the woofer button. Push button up or down to adjust the level of the woofer level. So you push up and down to adjust the woofer. This button is channel level. So if you press the channel level, you can adjust the volume of each speaker. So center level and side level. Then also this sound control. By pressing the button, you can set the audio function. The desired setting can be adjusted using up and down. And this button is tone control. If you select tone control, by pressing the button, you can adjust the volume of treble or bass sound, and the desired item can be adjusted using up and down. So if you select tone control, then use up and down to adjust it. Likewise, if you select sound control, use up and down to adjust it. You can decrease the volume as well. So you can control the volume by pressing the minus, then increase the volume by pressing the plus on the top. Thank you very much. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you.